Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to change icon size on your POCO X6 Pro. So let's start. We're gonna need to go to the settings, the gear icon, and there we go into the very bottom to the additional settings, right here, and accessibility, vision, and we're tapping on the display size. So here you have three options, L, S, and XS, and to choose between them, you need just to swipe to the left or right this toggle like this. So I had L before, so let's switch it to the smallest. And to confirm your choice, you just need to tap on the tick in the right corner of the screen like this. And you've got a notification about that icons will also change with the display size. And you just need to press OK. And now your screen with icons look different. See? I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.